Alright, hello, this is Rich from Lightstreet Creations, and this video is going to be a little bit of a shop vlog about what's been going on in the world of Lightstreet Creations. So I have the garage door open, getting some fresh air in here into the shop. So I did my last craft show of the season a couple of weeks ago. Unfortunately, the ones that I had in October and November I had to cancel. I had some people quit my day job, and I have to cover some Saturday shifts, so I'm not going to be able to do any craft shows for the rest of the year. So that sucks. But good thing is my consignment has been doing well. I've been selling some things with my consignment. Recently, I took a bandsaw class. It was basically set up, adjustments, and how to use a bandsaw properly. I learned a lot. I learned that it's very important to be able to maintain and adjust and take care of your tools. I learned a lot in the class. I learned that my bandsaw is not set up properly, so I'm going to have to work on that and tinker around with it. Recently, I had a coworker give me some logs, some medium-sized logs, so I can do these little vases, flower pots, whatever you want to call them. So I can make some of those. And the big news of the day is I got it's still in the bag because I just got it, but I just got a pyrography or I can't even say it, but a wood burner pyrography kit. So I'm going to do some wood burning, get some of my artistry back. So maybe do some wood burning on some bowls and things like that, make some designs. So that is that. That's basically it. So unfortunately, I'm missing out on some craft shows, but my consignment's doing well, and that is it. So hopefully I'll be doing a few more videos for October and November, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Just a shop vlog, so just letting you know what's going on. So thanks for watching.